students, welcome to the class. It's our mathematics class. In our previous class, we learned the table number 1. Today we will learn the table number 2. We can do by skip counting or by repeated addition. Okay, first I want to inform you two most important things. First one is, if we multiply any number with 0 or 0 into 3, these are same, 4 into 0 or 0 into 4, these are same. Okay, we write 3 first or 0 first, it doesn't matter. If we multiply 0 with any number, the product will be 0. Why? If we add 0 3 times, 0 plus 0 plus 0, we will get 0, or 0 times 3, that means no times 0, that means nothing, right? 0 means nothing. You can write like this, 3 times 0, sorry, not here, here. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 3 times 0, that means 0, or you can write 0 times 3. 3 plus 0 equal to 0. Why? Because we are not adding 3. We are adding 0 times. That means no times. That means not even 1. We are adding 0. So, whenever there is any number that is multiplied, this is multiplication sign I told you in our previous class. This is multiplication sign. If any number multiply with 0, the product will be 0, right? If we multiply 0 with 4, we will get 4 times 0, right? 4 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 4 times 0, that means what? That means 0. 4 times 0 means 0, nothing. Here also we are multiplying 4 with 0. That will be also 0, right? So if we add any number, that means 0 times, we will get 0. If we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0. Okay, remember this thing. If we multiply any number with 0, the product will be 0. And another thing, if we multiply any number with 1, if we multiply any number with 1, the product will be the same number. Like, if we multiply 2 with 1, we will get the same number 2. If we multiply 3 with 1, we will get the number 3. Why we are getting the same number? Let's see. This is 1 time 2, right? 1 time 2. That means only 2 lines we will draw. 1 time 2. That means only 2 lines we will draw. So 1, 2. This is 1 time 3. So we will draw only 3 lines, right? 1 time 3. That's why we will get the same number. If we multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. Okay? So these are the two things you have to remember. If you multiply any number with 0, the product will be 0. If you multiply any number with 1, the product will be the same number. Now today we will learn the table number 2, multiplication, with the help of repeated addition. So first we will write 2 multiply with 0. So what will be the answer? 2 multiply with 0. I told you before that whenever we will multiply 0 with any number, we will get a big 0. If we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0. So we will write 2 0 is, we will write 2 0 is 0. 2 0 is 0. 2 0 is 0. You can write like this. 2 0 is 0. 2 0 is 0. Then we write 2 into 1, right? So how we can do this? By repeated addition. 2, so 2 plus 0, 1 time 2, right? 2 plus 0, 1 time 2, that means only 1 time. We will write only 2 here. We don't need to write the 0, we will write the 2 here. So 2 ones are 2, we can write here 2 ones are 2. So here 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Now with the help of repeated addition we can write 2 into 2. So we have to write 2 plus 2, right? Repeated addition we will do 2 plus 2, 2 times 2. 2 plus 2 we will get 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we will write 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are 4. Next, 2 multiply with 3. So we will write 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 times 2, right? 3 times 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 times 2. So here we will get 6. You can count with your fingers also. 2 plus 2 plus 2, or you can count by drawing lines also, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So you will get 6. So you can write here 2 3's are 6. 2 3's are 6. In the same way, the process will go on, and you have to do the same way by repeated addition. 2 3's are 6, then 2 4's. You have to write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times you have to add the 2. Then you will get 2 4's are 8. In the same way, when you will write 2 5's, so you have to add 5 times. You have to add 2 5 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 5 times you have to add, and then you will get 2 5's are 10. Right? In the same way, you will do up to 2 into 10. 2 10's are. What will be the answer? 2 10's are. If I erase these words and start writing again, okay. So first, how you will write 2 into 0? 2 0 is 0. Then 2 into 1. 2 1 is 2. Then 2 into 2. 2 2's are 4. 2 into 3. 2 3's are 6. 2 into 4. 2 4's are 8. 2 into 5. 2 5's are 10. How you will do this? By repeated addition. Here you have to write the 0 plus 0 2 times. 2 into 0. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 2 into 1, that means 2 times. 1 time 2, that is 2. 1 time 2, that is 2. Then 2 into 2, that means 2 plus 2. 2 times 2, 2 times 2. Then 2 into 3, 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Repeated addition. Here 2 times 4, that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is repeated addition, and this is the multiplication. You can do the multiplication with the help of repeated addition, and this is called the table of 2. Table of 2. You will do like this up to 10. Okay? You will do up to 10. So 2 plus 2 is 2. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. So this is repeated addition. You can do the table number 2 with the help of repeated addition. Then you will write like this. 2 0 is 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. You will do up to 10, not up to 5. Here I am writing because my board is small, so I am writing up to 5. You will do this up to 10. That means you will learn the table number 2. Okay. Thank you for watching.